Welcome to my channel. It's Itsjustnene here, back with another video, and today I'm coming at you with a client tutorial for Valentine's Day, and this is a soft glam look. And I went in with Juvias Place Warriors palette, and I went in with that burgundy shade and I tapped it into her crease. And then I went in the Warriors 2 palette and I used that tan shade and I used that to tap on her eyelids. But before I did that, I went in with a base, Louise base. And then after that, I went in with the shade, and now I'm just blending out the harsh lines from the tan shade with this buffing brush. Now I'm going in with some lashes and I'm just popping those right on. Now I'm going in with J. LaRue's primer. Yeah, this primer is for people with oily skin, and she has very much oily skin. So I'm placing that literally mainly on her nose, her forehead, and her cheeks area. So I'm just allowing it to set because I realized when I let it sit for a while, I just like how it looks afterwards. So I'm just going in and fixing any minors or whatever that I felt like I just wanted to fix or whatever. So now her face look snatched. So I'm going in with New Caledonia as her foundation. And I know you guys are probably like, New Caledonia or whatever. Basically, I'm going off of her chest. Her neck does have a different shade, discoloration, but if you see her chest, her chest is a bit lighter and it matches her face. So that's what I was basically going off of. So now I'm using my Instapop flat brush from Real Technique, and I'm just spreading this foundation and tapping it all over her skin. And I'm taking my time when I apply this. That's why I was using that brush. But now I'm going in with Tarte concealers to conceal her face, and I'm using Deep, and I also went in with Tan Deep Sand, and I used that shade to highlight, to give me a real highlight look underneath her eyes. Now I'm using my setting brush from Real Technique, and I'm just blending out the edges of this concealer. Now I'm going in with Black Opal foundation stick in ebony. I wish I had a darker one. I need to go get the darker shade one. But yeah. So I'm using the ebony and I'm placing that on her forehead, her cheeks, underneath her cheeks. And now I'm using this small Morphe brush to snatch her nose up. So I just bought this brush. I think it's a Morphe brush. I'm not sure what number it is, but I was trying to use it to help blend out my contour. I liked it. It spread out a lot, but I didn't think it would be good for contouring. I think it would be mainly good for applying foundation or something. But it's a really good brush. If you ask me, it really spreads the product around. So I was just yeah, this is more so something I would say for a foundation. So yeah, I'm gonna switch brushes in a minute. So now I'm going in with this more dense brush so that I am able to control the product on her face. But at least I was able to try it, you know? But it is a good brush and I do like it, but I will try it with foundation instead. So now I'm going in back with my setting brush, and I'm blending out the concealer underneath her eyes so she can get that nice highlighted look. Now I'm going in with a beauty blender just to help me blend out the concealers underneath her eyes a bit more, making sure everything looks nice. And now I'm going in with Mercier as my setting powder, and this is in translucent, and I mixed it with another setting powder, and now I'm just tapping that lightly in the highlighted areas. And now I'm adding a bit more setting powder, a lot more. And then I'm going back and I'm making sure her nose is snatched the way I want it to be. And now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just setting where we applied the foundation stick in Black Opal and Ebony. Now I'm going in with a foundation powder, and this is from, I really forgot what brand this is, but I do like them. You can get them at Walmart, but I'll have it listed down below if I remember. But yeah, I'll have it listed down below. But now I'm going in my Raggedy blush palette that I got from the hair store, and I'm just applying some blush, and then I set her face with Morphe setting mist, and now I'm going back in with the foundation powder, and I'm just setting it even more. Now I'm going in with Dose of Colors Royal Hotness to highlight, and I'm using another setting brush to do so. And now I'm going back in with this foundation brush just to set all the areas and make sure everything is blended well. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild dark brown pencil, and I'm just lining up her lip, and we're about to give her a natural lippy, a glossy one. Now I'm going in with NYX liquid lipstick and Baby Doll, and I'm just applying that all over her lips. And then now I'm going in with Cairo. I mixed those two together. And now I'm using this brush to blend out the lipstick on her lip. And then I go in with some gloss, and this is Revlon in Sandstorm. And you guys, this completes the end of this video. Thanks for watching and thanks for sticking around. Thanks for all the love, you guys. I hope you're able to create this look even though you didn't get the whole clip. I have another look up on this look. It's about the same thing but different shades. This is like giving very much night out look. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you ladies in the next video. Bye.